Yeah. Good morning. How we doing, everybody? We are out here today in Pine Island Sound. We are looking for tarpon right off the bat in the morning. It's a beautiful day, very low wind. Right now it's supposed to stay under 10 knots today. It's at the low tide right now. We have an incoming tide all day long. I believe the water temp is around 73, 74, and it's a beautiful day. So hopefully we can find some tarpon rolling out here. If not, maybe some cobia. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna go for the standard red snook trout. I'm fishing with Fosley today. He already got himself a trout this morning, and that's it. We're starting the day off with the top water. We got the Moonwalker from Salt Strung. We're using that guy to start off the morning. Guys, let's see what happens. Oh. Alright, we're starting the morning off with the Full Base Sniper series. That's paired up with my Penn Slammer 2500. 10-pound braid on that to 30-pound fluoro. Seagar is the brand I prefer. What is this? A lizard fish on top water. That's a first. That is a first. Never caught one on top water. Wow. First fish of the morning for me is a lizard fish on top water. I just got a lizard fish on top water.
Nice, I just released a 18.5-inch trout.
Damn. Alright guys, so Fosley just spotted a tarpon roll in front of him. So there's some tarpon around. I'm still trying to get a ladyfish. If a tarpon hits this top water, it wouldn't suck. These are oh man, those are single hooks.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, there's some ladies in front of me right now. Hopefully I get one.
Okay, I just saw that one tarpon. It wasn't that big, but
there we go. What is this? Nice trout. Another nice trout. Yeah. I gotta be careful, guys. There has been a lot of sharks around. Another jack. Another jack.
alright, I'm gonna make my way slowly to the If there's anything, I will let you know.
Another little jack. That's a nice trout. Man, he swallowed it. Look at this trout. That thing's down his mouth. Yup. Hungry, huh, bud? Look at this guy. Nice trout, guy. He's bleeding though, so I'm gonna let him go. He had that pretty far down in there. I don't know how his chances are, but could have kept him, I guess. Oh. He must have came all the way to the boat because he's not there anymore. Bull Bay Banshee. It's the 6'8", so one of their smaller ones. I love this little rod though. Another jack on the troll, guys. Another jack. There's trout. They're all little dudes. On the Slam Shady. We're still out here. We're pushing against the mangroves now. Oh, that's what it is. It's a bird. The tarpon, we saw a few this morning. Tried to work them. Nothing. Neither of us got a ladyfish yet. So we weren't able to troll live bait for those tarpon. It was all artificial. We were both trying. No joy. I didn't even see one. But he said he saw a couple rolls. We ran into Eric this morning at the launch, and he said he saw somewhere he's working an area for sharks, but he's kind of far from us. We're kind of working our way into a general direction area that we want to fish. But as I'm coming in, there's some bait. Something's going on here. There's a lot of birds over here, so we're gonna see if there's some fish under all this activity over here. Oh yeah, there's definitely someone over here. Now hopefully it's not all these birds. We're still working the top water. But so you got these two birds here. There's some bait right there. The birds are working the bait, but it looks like there's some predators around there. Let's see what we can find. These are Anhinga birds. I looked it up, man. It's a crazy number. I want to say it was like somewhere between 4 and 5 minutes that they can stay underwater if they want to. They can hold their breaths for that long. Look at that bait. Of course, my cast net is in my truck. Whoa. What was that? Something big there, spooked. So when I walk the dog every once in a while, I'll pump it up, do something crazy like that, because if you look, mullet do that all the time. Bait fish, you know, they do cruise at that walking the dog pace. But if you watch mullet, they'll jump out randomly, they'll do weird stuff. So you know, your goal is not to have a good walk the dog. Your goal is to replicate the bait that's out here that you're trying to replicate. Let's see, sometimes the predator's on the inside part of this stuff. All right, guys. Fosley just hit me up on the radio and let me know that he just got a 25-inch red on a paddle tail. So we're gonna switch to the Slim Shady. I am now. The secret weapon works. It's a good red. Woo. Looks like 25, like the one you just got. Maybe it's the same one. I guess I can go a little easier on you. Man, this Fosley, you're just good luck. Oh yeah. I'm taking a fish home today. I hope you're not slot, buddy. Are you keeping fish? No.
I don't keep fish, redfish, because to me it's like bad juju.
My stomach says different. I can't believe today's the 1st of May. I thought, man, it's okay. I haven't seen a slot snook.
That's why I was after them yesterday.
Yeah, that was smart. Yeah, come on, buddy. It's almost over. It's almost over. It's a good tournament one right there. You done yet? Yeah, he looks like he's a perfect one. Oh. Oh. He's fat. Look at this guy. Let's see where you're at, buddy. What do you think?
27 and a half.
Too big? Damn,
Oh.
dude. You were a 1/4 inch off.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's too big.
Nice, man.
Yep. Nice, thank you for the secret weapon lure. Oh, sorry, buddy.
Oh, wait. It doesn't kick.
Oh, boom. All right, we just caught that 27 and 3/4, just short of 28-inch red. Ow. A little too big. I am trying to keep it red. So guys, right now I'm only like, I would say I'm maybe 5 to 8 yards away from the mangrove, somewhere in that window, usually, depending on the pocket. That's where I'm staying. Oh shoot, that's not good. I was just stuck. Oh man, he's right in that line. Try not to let him get in there. Yeah. I think this one's slot though. Maybe. Looks a little smaller. I mean, there's obviously a school somewhere here. Yeah.
My king was the best. Last time I did the summer series, there was two couple boat at the point fishing cities.
All right, let's guess again. You were 1/4 inch off last time.
Oh, damn. 26 3/4.
Oof, the perfect one? This is the perfect one? Oof, 26 1/4. Maybe, I don't know if you can get the 1/4, maybe. You could probably get it out.
26 1/4. Nice. That's a tournament fish for sure.
Yeah, I'll let them go just because it's a tournament fish. I like keeping them 23, 24 anyway. I'm just gonna stay recording, guys, because there is obviously a school around here. We're gonna exploit it. It's 2 redfish within 20 yards of each other. That's a pattern. Oh, I hear them eating back there. Yep. They're over there. Oh man, there's a lot of gnats right here right now. It's another one. Yee! That's better. That's an eater. That's the smallest one there. Man, deadly. Let me get away from here. Let me get away from here.
Is it bigger?
Smaller. Smallest one.
Is it perfect to bring home?
I think so. Oh. Yeah, I've been going real slow and on the just dragging it on the bottom almost.
Okay.
Just keeping it off whatever's down there. And there's mullet everywhere too. Let's see. 20. I like them. I like you a little bigger, buddy. So I'm gonna let you go. No spots. Really ugly one then, huh? I'm just kidding. You're not ugly. I just got broke off by one. All right, we've made a move. It got very crowded over there. There was definitely a school of reds, and then boats started showing up, spooking everything. It happens. We saw one boat catch a fish the whole time after they showed up, as opposed to between me and him, I think we got 7 or 8. Shark right here. I did bump him. He's looking at it. He's looking at it. Fish on. Red. It looks like he's slot. This might be dinner. $24, almost 25. That's dinner. Alright everybody, that was fun. That one was 25 incher, or just short of 25, so I was looking for a slot red today to eat. He's in the cooler, so that's my 4th red landed, 5th hooked. Need a snook for the slam, but have an awesome day.
I just spoke to nice reds over here.
Yeah, that last one I got's in the cooler. He was just short of 25. Another red. He's still real green. Nice little red. fish on. Another good one. Almost got me. Another good one. Slot one. Oh, you said that was on cut bait?
Yeah, because I spoke the school of 3 or 4, and then my mirroring went to the trees, and then I just threw out the cut bait.
Nice. Trout. Little baby trout. Oh, really?
Yes, the boundaries. I wish it was on the East Coast, but I am more confident.
You like the East Coast more, huh?
Because I think everybody struggle, and then I'm the only one that can find the big
You
one.
figured it out already? Oh boy, buddy. Open your mouth, dude. That's way in there. Oh, he's still going. Oh, there's someone. There he is. Come on. There he is. Oh, pinfish? Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
That's 8 feet around on your right side.
8 feet, yeah. I got a nice little pinfish. You're gonna be snook bait, buddy. Ooh. Well, there's a lady right there next to him. Oh yeah, he's coming up. He's looking at the ladyfish. He's right here. Oh, he is coming to check me out. What's up, buddy? Big old manatee. Actually, that's not a big one. Got a big scar on his back. Come on, cobia. There a cobia there? There a cobia by you? Come on. Oh, there he comes up. There we go, guys. Look at the manatee right here. Coming to check me out. He's got a big scar on his back. Hello. I don't see any cobia around him. Look, guys, got this manatee tailing me now. Trying to get this lady out back. Hey. This guy's straight up following me. Don't get too far back there, buddy. I got a ladyfish. Trout. What is it? Oh, ladyfish? Got a freaking trout over here. Hey! No. No, it's a trout. On the popping cork. I put one of those easy shrimp on. Those are the ones you like down there too, huh? Yeah. Yep. You like shrimp profile better than mullet down there? Or than paddle tail? Oh wow, okay. Have you fished with bait down there yet?
No.
Okay.
So if I go down, I will be able to
Yeah. Get some good white bait. Oh. On the popping cork, bud. That's fun. That's fun catching it with something different. No, I need a snook. Damn. Nice. Easy release. All right, everybody, how are we doing? It is I don't know, way in the afternoon now. I think it's 2-3 o'clock now, and I just need a snook for my slam. Not that that's why I'm out here anymore. Oh, I think there's too much stuff on it. I'm trolling a ladyfish right now, and we're heading in towards the mangroves, see if I can find a snook. He wants to go fish another little area here, but I'm gonna move in and see if we can find some snook. Possibility of some juvenile tarpon also back here. Depends how far back we push. I don't know if we're gonna push too far back in there. I just want to see if I can find a snook. Fishing the wall on the way back should be productive for me. I should get a snook out of that. Great day so far. Reds, insanity, trout. I could have caught trout for days. We left them. I was catching them on a popping cork with a artificial shrimp on there too earlier. unfortunately. There's been some catfish schools. It's crazy. For a second there, I caught 3 catfish in a row on artificial, so pretty gross. But that's part of the game, I guess, out there. We caught a couple ladyfish. That's what I'm trolling one. He's trolling one for cobia / tarpon. But now we're pushing closer to the mangroves. That kind of eliminates cobia. I'm gonna bring my ladyfish in here soon, and it eliminates big cobia. You can still catch some little small juvenile cobia up against the mangroves. Very rare, but I've seen it done. And but yeah, that's what's going on. It's getting warm. I don't know how much I got left in me. Honestly, it's about how much liquid I have left to stay out here is really what it comes down to now. So how much water. But all right, guys, we'll see what happens. Hopefully I get my snook. Oh, tarpon right here, right in front of me. Right in front of me.